My name is Elizabeth Snyder, and I've been sick for some time now. Not because I have a disease or a predisposed illness, but because of a doctor. A doctor that promised me that if he gave me a surgery, nothing bad would happen after. And it did. So I'm creatively writing a letter in the form of slam poetry. Dear doctor, you remember me, the one you've forgotten? 17, 28, and 15, those are my numbers that I live by. 17 months, I'm 28 years old, and I've had 15 operations. Every time I hear the word idiopathic, my heart sinks down to the sickness of my soul that used to soothe but now sobs, and I'm instantly exhausted. Exhausted because of the idiotic interpretation of an idiom that was me, memory. My memory moved into a mountain missed by a microscopic cut that turned into a complication controlling consciousness that I fall in and out of because of my disease. A disease that has destroyed my desire to dive into my dreams because of a doctor. Idiopathic means your doctors give up. They give up on a cause. They give up on a treatment. They give up on you, and you're stuck with it. They've run test after test and come up with empty-handed, and they haven't racked their brain, consulted with colleagues, or dug into literature as far as they could. The problem, though, is not that they have no answers. The problem is that they stopped trying to find them as soon as they tried, only a handful of times. Am I only worth a handful? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A slap in my face. Doctor. When a doctor gives up, they just move on to the next patient. But where does that leave the patients they give up on? Me. It leaves us hopeless, confused, stuck, powerless, invisible. Rarity of illness and disease should not mean the end of the search for answers. Rather, it should call for renewed efforts to think outside of the box, for other possibilities, to keep their ears open to new developments that could bring future answers. This may seem like a matter of semantics, but to a patient, it makes a world of difference. It means there's hope, and I need hope. I'm a conundrum. I'm a mystery. I'm a puzzle that I'm told will never again be put back together. I grieve the loss of a body I used to know, a body I could count on, an old friend who has vanished. I am now faced with a hustle curse. Yes, I've seen more medical doctors and specialists than an average person would, but this disease-causing corruption they gave me, I will never escape. They said, give it 2 weeks, Elizabeth. Give it 2 more weeks, Elizabeth. Elizabeth, give it 2 weeks. If I hear 2 weeks. 2 weeks has turned into 17 months and now the rest of my life. They said, just wait a little while longer. They said, we think you have a low tolerance for pain. How about you try having 15 surgeries and I've shoved up your backside time and again and over and over and over again, constantly feeling like you're always sitting on shards of glass. I'm in nameless sickness, all because of a surgery followed by complications, turned into complications, having too much in between all the fucking complications. It's complicated. They're still saying, we don't know what to do, and that's okay, I guess. But why can't you try? I was meek, and I trusted in the medical system, trusted that these people would have had years of experience and extensive training and education. They would help me. They didn't help me. They didn't fix me. They didn't make me wait. They made me wait. They made me wait. They made me wait. Tick, tock. Tick, tock. I watch that goddamn clock. When your body is damaged and you cry for help and are told that the only thing you can do is watch the clock, things start to fall apart. The complications begin. The blood that falls down my legs thickens. I can't breathe. My body starts poisoning itself again. And then I wake up staring at the fluorescent lights of the hospital ceiling again, being told, why didn't you tell us? Well, I did. I did tell you, but you didn't listen. Tick, tock. Tick-tock, I watched that clock. They didn't listen to me, in which return resulted in them tucking me back into a hospital bed, giving me another surgery, punching needles into my arm, monitoring my heart rate. I've forgotten. I've forgotten what my life was before I got sick. For periods of time, I forget to laugh. I forget to smell, hear, taste, and feel. And when you have acute, chronic pain, your senses slowly remove themselves from you. Au revoir, memories. And normalities of an everyday routine. Hello to hell. I've been trapped because they wouldn't listen to me. They called me crazy and then they just sent me on my way. Bending down, walking, dancing, peeing, breathing, luxuries to me because it's all gone now. I can't talk about it to my friends because it has to do with my private areas. I get asked, why were you late? Why can't you ever be on time? Why do you sleep all day? Why don't you call me back? Why don't you text me back? What's wrong with you? I can't say anything. I don't have cancer. I don't have a known illness. I am a nameless disease. I'm a medical mystery. Cut to behind the scenes. Here. I'm confined day and night, day and night, day and nighttime is the worst. I get scared when it gets dark because I know I won't sleep. I miss sleep. My girlfriend sings to me. She sings to me, "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine." She says, "Have pleasant dreams," in hopes that I can escape the pain when I sleep. But once pleasant dreams are now turned into nightmares, always and every night nightmares. I live to wonder if today I'm going to faint, hit the ground, how much I will bleed, how deeper the cuts will become, how much my heart will hurt for the people I love. She takes care of me, though. She still does. She sits next to the bed all night to make sure I don't have another seizure. Tick, tock, tick, tock. That fucking clock. Giving a patient hope is the best doctoring that you may be able to do. The cause may not be evident right now, but that doesn't mean a new test or novel information will come out tomorrow that could hold the answer, and with it a resolution today. Today I sit, though. Today I wait. Today I pray that maybe tomorrow the pain will subside, the ripping open of my skin, the dropping of my insides, the sadness I see in my loved one's eyes will go away. A smile is a coping skill to me, but to doctors, I guess it just means I'm okay. I'm not tough. I'm not rough, but I'm needy. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Until then, I wait. I wait. I have memory loss now. What was I saying? Hello, my name is Elizabeth, and my life is on hold because a doctor once told me no. That won't happen to you. I promise. 17, 28, 15, those are my numbers. Idiopathic doesn't mean the job is done. It means that it should begin again. Don't give up on us. Don't give up on the forgotten, the ones who are stuck in between today and tomorrow. Come home with me, Doc, and see how I live. Don't give up on me. Because I can't give up on myself. Sincerely yours, patient Elizabeth.